the primary colors. And the primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. So this is I'm gonna add some more color so that you'll see. This is the red. I'm gonna spread it. Every time you change color, you have to wash your brush very, very clean. That's the red. And this is the blue. I think I have a lot of blue. So I'm just gonna spread. This is the blue. I hope you can see it. And this is the yellow. I'm gonna add some more yellow. So make sure you wash your brush very carefully and very clean so that no colors will be mixed. So you get the pure color. Okay, so that's the yellow. So these are the primary colors. If you buy colors, there are a lot of choices in colors because for example, red, they have some cool reds and warm reds. For blue, they also have cool blues and warm blues. And yellow, they also have cool yellows and warm yellow. I will explain to you in the next chapters or in the next lessons what are the meaning of the temperature, the cool and the warm colors. But for now, just remember the primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. And actually, if you look at the colors, red is a warm color, and also yellow is a warm color in comparison to the blue, which is a very cool color. So for now, just remember the primary colors are red, blue, and yellow, and they are equidistant in the color wheel. So they have equal distance from each other, and I will explain that in the next lesson. Okay, that's it. That's the primary colors. Now I'm going to teach you for my lesson number 2 is the secondary colors. First we have to let's do a circle using this compass. And from our first lesson, we have the primary color which are red, blue, and yellow. So I have to make sure the distance are equal. So and this is the yellow. So these are the primary colors: the red, the blue, and the yellow. So if we combine, secondary colors are combination of the primary colors. That's why it's secondary. So if you combine the red with yellow, gives us orange. You have to wash the brush every time you change color. And then if you combine the yellow and the blue, put here the yellow, combine it with the blue. Oops, too much blue. It's like blue-green. So we'll get some more yellow. Okay. So combination of yellow and blue is green. And then the combination of red and blue purple. This is a very dark purple. Usually when you buy primary colors, there are different temperature, like the cool reds and the warm reds. So it's up to you to pick what is your favorite red or blue or yellow, and it will give you a different shades of purple. So for this specific color, this is the specific purple that you can create. So the secondary colors are orange, purple, and green. And if you will notice, the distance between these three colors are also equidistant with each other. It's like the primary, they are equidistant, and the secondary are also equidistant from each other. So that's it for now. The secondary colors, again, the orange, purple, and green are the secondary colors. Okay, now I'm gonna show you for my lesson number 3 the tertiary colors. But first I'm gonna use my color palette, and this will serve as a review. For our primary colors we have red. I'm just gonna put a small one here. I hope you can see it. Red, and then blue, and yellow. I'm just gonna make a small dot of colors. And then for our secondary colors are from the mixture of the primary colors. So now I'm gonna mix red and yellow to get an orange. So red, plus yellow, plus an orange. And then red, plus blue, let me add some red. We get a dark purple, and then yellow, plus blue, we get the green. So the primary colors are red, blue, and yellow, and the secondary colors are orange, purple, and green. Now we're gonna mix the tertiary colors, which are combination of the secondary and the primary. Okay, for red and orange, so red and orange, I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger. So this is the tertiary color. So we're gonna mix the red and the orange. I'm gonna mix my orange here. I hope you can see the difference. Red and orange, we're gonna call it red orange. So that's our first tertiary color. It's orange, but it's more on the red side. So now this is the red orange. Now let's mix the red and the purple to get the red purple. So it's more on red. And I'm gonna mix the purple here. So practically it's a purple, but it has more red in it. Okay, so that's our red purple. Now the purple and blue, we're gonna call it the blue purple. So it's more blue than the red. So it's the blue and the purple. I hope you can see it. That's gonna be our blue purple. And then for the blue and green, we're gonna get a blue green, a tertiary color blue green. So we have to mix blue and green. Blue and green. I hope you can see it. So this is our blue green. We can add more blue so it looks like aqua blue. Okay, so now it looks like a blue green. So this is our blue green. And then for the yellow and the green, we're gonna get yellow green. So let's start with this. And this. See, that's a very light green, so it's closer to the yellow. So that's our yellow green. And then for the yellow and orange, we're gonna get a yellow orange. It's also an orange, but it's closer to the yellow. So I'm gonna use more yellow. And then I'm gonna mix an orange. Okay, so this is our yellow orange. So now you know how to create the tertiary colors. So the tertiary colors are the combination of the secondary colors, the orange, the purple, and the green. So when you mix the red and the orange, you get a red orange. The red and the purple, you get a red purple. The purple and the blue, you get the blue purple. And then the blue and the green, you get the blue green. The green and the yellow, you get yellow green. Yellow and orange, you get yellow orange. And the red and orange, you get the red orange. So now that's the full color wheel, the 12 colors color wheel. So from this color wheel, we can actually create color schemes that I'm gonna show you in the next lesson. I'm gonna show you complementary colors, split complementary colors, triadic colors, and analogous colors. In summary, just in a brief summary, because I'm gonna explain it to you in detail, the specific color scheme. But in summary, complementary colors or the opposite colors, complementary are the opposite colors. So for red and green, that's the opposite colors. So the complementary of red is green. The complementary of orange is blue-green. The complementary of yellow is purple. So that's the complementary colors. I will explain in detail in the next lessons. And then the split complementary is actually, you have the complementary, like red and green, that's a complementary, and then you split the bottom. So the split complementary for red is yellow-green and blue-green. So that's called the split complementary color scheme. And those colors will give you a very beautiful color combination when you apply it in your paintings. And then the next color scheme is called the triadic color scheme. Triadic is just the three colors in equal distance. That's why I keep the distance always equal, so that I can just rotate the colors. So the primary colors, the red, blue, and yellow, are actually triadic color combination. You can use these three colors and you can create a very nice painting using the primaries. Or you can use the secondary colors, which are the orange, the purple, and the green. You can also use these three and you create a very nice triadic color combination. And if you rotate your colors, see, I can create a beautiful color using a red, yellow, orange, a red, purple, and a blue, green. See, that's also a triadic color combination. Three colors. And the next color scheme I'm going to show you is the analogous color scheme. Analogous is just the colors that are close to each other. Usually you can use only three colors, or you can use up to four colors. So this is like one analogous color, or this, or this, or this color. So or you can use this, see, like green, yellow, green, and yellow. That's a very nice analogous color scheme. Or you can go further, blue, green, green, yellow, green, and yellow. So that's called analogous color scheme. I will explain that in detail in the next lessons. So for now, just for this lesson, you know how to create now a 12 colors color wheel just from the primary colors. If you look at very carefully at the color wheel, you'll notice that half of the colors are warm and half of the colors are cool. So we can actually split this color wheel into two. So if I split it right here, these are the warm colors and these are the cool colors. Usually when you use warm colors, you use it for example, you're painting a landscape, you use the cool color to show the distance. You know, you use blue or light blue or blue-green for the distant trees, and then you use these warm colors for the objects in the front or the foreground. You can also use the temperature. These are the color temperatures to signify emotions or moods. For example, peace, you use peace and quiet, calm, you use the cool colors. But for warm colors, you can use it for your happy, excitement, anger, something like that. So those are the uses of the warm and cool colors. And for me personally, sometimes I use these temperature colors in my shadows. If I'm painting an object and on the one side is cool, like from the reflection of the sky, which is blue, so that's a cool side. Usually the shadow side, I'm gonna use the warm colors. So I'm trying to do a complement of the temperature. So the cool side, I'm gonna use the warm color on the shadow side. That's how I apply also the color temperatures. So for now, just remember those theories: the warm colors and the cool colors, and then the color schemes I'm gonna explain to you in detail in the next lessons. So if you have any questions, just make some comments and I will answer them as soon as I have time. And if you want to see some of my paintings, you can look at, or you can click the link on my YouTube site on the top right corner of the site. Okay, this is Arnel Sarmiento. I'm signing off for now. Thank you for watching.